Have you ever wondered how technology is revolutionizing farming? Welcome to the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT, a game-changing technology that's helping to transform the face of agriculture. This isn't just any transformation. We're talking about the dawn of smart farming. Smart farming is all about using connected devices that gather data and streamline the farming process to make it more accurate, efficient, and sustainable. Imagine devices that can monitor everything from crop health, weather conditions to soil quality, automating processes to optimize growth conditions and increase yield. But that's not all. IoT in agriculture is also about making the most of our resources. It's about reducing waste and enhancing productivity by enabling farmers to use resources like water and fertilizer more effectively. As we step into the future, our fields and farms are not left behind. They are becoming smarter and more connected. The dawn of IoT in agriculture is here, and it's revolutionizing the way we farm. Now, you might be asking yourself, what benefits does smart farming offer? Well, let's delve into it. Smart farming, powered by the Internet of Things, packs a powerful punch in the agricultural world. For starters, it dramatically reduces waste and boosts productivity. How, you ask? By making resource utilization more precise and efficient. Think about water and fertilizer. These are vital for crop growth, but their excessive use can lead to waste and environmental harm. With IoT, farmers can use these resources more intelligently, minimizing waste and cost, while maximizing the output and quality of their crops. Take smart irrigation systems as an example. Picture this. Sensors are placed in the soil, constantly monitoring its moisture level. Based on this real-time data, the irrigation system automatically adjusts the watering schedule. This means that the plants get the exact amount of water they need, not a drop more or less. The result? Water, a precious resource in agriculture, is conserved, and the crop yield is optimized. But the benefits of IoT in agriculture don't stop at waste reduction and productivity enhancement. It's also a champion of sustainability. Accurate data from IoT devices on crop health and environmental conditions enable farmers to cut down on the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. This leads to healthier crops and less damage to our environment. So it's clear that IoT is revolutionizing farming. It's making it smarter, more efficient, and most importantly, more sustainable. As technology continues to advance, the potential for transforming agriculture into a high-tech industry is tremendous. This innovation offers solutions that not only benefit farmers, but also contribute positively to the global community. So, smart farming isn't just about increasing efficiency, it's about nurturing our environment and making the most of our resources. It's about growing smarter with connected tech. And that's the beauty and brilliance of IoT in agriculture. The potential of IoT in agriculture is just beginning to be tapped. As we move forward, the fusion of technology and farming promises to redefine the agricultural landscape. Imagine a future where real-time data from connected devices not only optimizes crop yield, but also predicts potential challenges, allowing farmers to act proactively. This isn't a far-off dream. With the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the data collected by IoT devices could soon be analyzed to provide predictive insights, making farming even smarter. Moreover, these advancements aren't confined to the fields. They're set to ripple outwards, benefiting the global community. By reducing waste and promoting sustainability, smart farming could help tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges, from food security to climate change. In the hands of innovative farmers, and with the aid of IoT, the future of farming looks brighter, smarter, and more sustainable than ever. Welcome to a future where farming is not just about sowing and reaping, but about data, connectivity, and smart decisions. We've journeyed through the landscape of IoT in agriculture, seeing firsthand how it's transforming the industry. Smart farming has emerged as a game changer, making farming more precise, efficient, and sustainable. IoT devices are the new agricultural assistants, monitoring everything from crop health to soil quality and automating processes to optimize growth conditions. We've also explored how IoT is promoting sustainability. Through precise data, farmers can reduce chemical use, leading to healthier crops and a healthier environment. In this world where technology and farming intersect, the potential for growth is vast. So why not come along for the ride? Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Thank you for journeying with us on 4th Industrial Avenue. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of tech.